Hi, fourth graders. This week when we're talking about challenging plurals, I just want to remind you that a plural means more than one. So when we have one tree, we just say tree. But when there's more than one, we add an S and say trees. And that's plural, more than one. The same for books. When we have just one book, it's singular. But when there's more than one, we say books and we add an S. We are going to be talking about some challenging plurals this week. And the first thing we're going to talk about today is what happens when words end in the letter O. Because usually we just add the letter S for a plural, but sometimes we add ES. And there's no specific rule. We just kind of have to learn which words we add S to and which words we add ES to. We just have to learn them and use the dictionary to check if we need to. There are some words like buffalo and tornado that you can see down here on the video. Buffalo plus S or ES, you could do either one. Buffaloes or buffaloes, both are correct. And the same for tornado. You can add S or you can add ES and both will be correct. Okay? But other words like veto and potato, we need to add ES to those to show that there's more than one, to show that there's a plural. Okay? But studio and memo, we just add an S to turn them from studio to studios and memo to memos. Okay, so let me just demonstrate this a little bit. If a word ends in O, we can use S or ES. So here we have one auto, and if we have two autos, we just add an S. But here's another word that ends in O, echo. So there's echoes bouncing back, sound waves bouncing back from the mountains. But if there's more than one echo, we add ES. It's most common to just add an S, but you need to learn which one is going to be for each word or use a dictionary to check, okay? Today you are going to do a word sort. Again, you're going to click on the words on the left-hand side and you're going to drag them over to the plural ending that matches that word. So I've got the word autos and echoes, which we've just done together and looked at. So autos will just go with S on the end, but echoes will go into the box for ES. Then we have potatoes, heroes, solos, kangaroos, tomatoes, photos, memos, zoos, pianos, kilos, studios, vetoes, videos, and torpedoes. There are a lot of words that end in O, and you are going to sort them into the plural ending. And this will help you remember when you're reading and writing which plural ending they should have, an S or just an ES. Okay, and we're going to carry on and do some more learning about some of the other challenging plurals tomorrow.